Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to disable Data Saver in Snapchat. By following these steps, you can enjoy high-quality media and restore the full functionality of Snapchat. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap on the account icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 3. Inside your profile settings, tap on the gear icon located in the top right corner. This will open your Snapchat settings. Step 4. Search for the option labeled Data Saver and tap on it. Step 5. In the Data Saver menu, disable the toggle switch for Data Saver. This will turn off the Data Saver feature and restore the full functionality and quality of media in Snapchat. By disabling Data Saver in Snapchat, you can enjoy high-quality photos and videos without any limitations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.